to serve our country and the Filipinos. My salute goes to all of you there. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Hindi ko kayo kalimutan at hindi ko kayo pababayaan.
I hereby declare Marawi City liberated from the terrorist influence that marks the beginning of rehabilitation.